Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset the Phonak Charge Go charger. If for some reason the charger is causing you difficulties and the hearing aids are not charging, or you're getting inconsistent lights on the Phonak Charge Go, we may ask you to reset the charger. So I'm going to show you how to reset the charger. The first thing you want to do is remove the hearing aids. So don't have the hearing aids in the charger. Make sure that the charger is plugged into the wall outlet, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to grab a pin. The pin similar to this that you could use could be a sewing needle or a safety pin. At the bottom of the charger is a little pinhole. So I'm going to pop this in here and I'm going to hold it down for approximately 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, I am going to remove the pin. I'm going to open the charger up, and you can see it's resetting with the flashing red and green lights. Once the lights stop blinking, or actually while they're stopping blinking, I'm going to unplug the cord and I'm going to plug it back in. And then I'm going to put the hearing aids back in the charger. And that should reset the Phonak Charge Go charger.